Okay, this video is to demonstrate today's class assignment where we're going to play around with our marker tool, making a marker, or what I like to call playing Tetris. So you can open up your Mark program, and by now you should have downloaded the file I gave you, the Raglan dress file that was in Canvas. Download it and remember where you saved it, because once Mark opens, we're going to go get that file. So to get it, we're actually not going to do file open because the file I gave you is not a marker, it's a pattern. So we're going to do order, and it's called Girls Raglan Dress eFit Production. That's the one. Open it up. Total bundles. Today I want you to change this to 2. We're going to do 2 for each of the 3 sizes. Okay, say OK. Click marker, and we're going to stick with this default settings. So the X should be at 500 and the Y should be 58. This basically is saying our table where we will cut is 500 inches long, and our fabric is, maybe our fabric's 60 inches wide, but we're giving it a little bumper, so we're going to be cutting 50 inches wide, 58 inches wide. We'll just do 1 pie, plies there, just 1. Say OK. Okay, so because this is just the beginning to markers, we're not going to do anything too fancy or tricky. You're just going to click and drag all of your pieces out to, this will be our marker, these are our pieces. So you can see size 4, there's 2 backs, size 5, there's 2 backs, and 6X, there's 2 backs. Same with the front and the sleeve. So I'm just going to click and drag and pull. Okay, so it looks like I just pulled out one of my 6X sizes because now there's only one 6X size left. Pull it out again. Now there's none. Okay. There we go. So now there's my 3 pieces are out. I have one of the size 5 out. Both of my 6s are out. So you're just going to click and drag and pull them all out. Okay, now you can click and drag and snap them to, oops, right, there we go. So they should be touching, and you're just going to want to try to get them as close as possible. We can't have overlap. That's not going to work for us. Okay, so you want to get all the pieces out, so you're going to play with that. And the goal is to try to use as much fabric as possible. Right now, I can look at my efficiency, and I'm at 64%. That means I'm only using half of my fabric, or a little bit more than half. That's not very good. It'd be great if I can get my efficiency to 100%, but also that might be impossible. But you want to get your efficiency up as high as possible. So you're just going to play with these pieces to see how you can get them to fit in the best. Like maybe I should bring a small, sleeve out. Maybe that would be better fit here because it doesn't waste as much fabric. For this game, I am going to let you turn the pieces, rotate them. Notice when I hit our rotate buttons, they don't work. We need to set our piece info to allow our pattern pieces to be cut on the cross grain or on the bias line as well. Right now, they're only allowed to be cut on the straight grain. So you will have to go up to piece, choose info, and go ahead and allow the grain line to be cross grain or bias. Allow it to be rotated by clicking that little dot, say apply and close. Okay, so now I have the option, maybe by turning it, oopsies, maybe this will help me squeeze in some more pieces. So this is really just to get you warmed up with the marker. There are other settings, there's auto settings, and you can pull pieces more than one at the same time. But I think just to get you comfortable and familiar with this program, I want you to just do one at a time and place them individually, and let's see how high we can get our efficiency level here. Let's see. Let's see, I'm already at 74%, and that's much better than 60, so I'm doing something right, right? I don't know. Okay, so that's what today's assignment is.